Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of your program, Walk It Out, on the network service of the NTA. My name is Israel Ife Robot. Every week on this program, we bring exciting young talents across Nigeria to showcase their talents on how they solve mathematics. And today is no different. We have four brilliant students who are here to tell us just how good they are on the subject of mathematics. Now, let's meet our contestants. Contestant A.
My name is Oshemi Fatima. I'm in JSS2.
Welcome. Contestant B.
My name is Adebayo Timothy. I'm in JS3.
Contestant C.
My name is Adekunle Moyolua. I am in JSS2.
Contestant D.
My name is Adebayo Rebecca. I'm in JS2.
Now, there are three stages on Walk It Out. For the first stage, you have only 5 seconds to answer the question. There are questions 1 to 16. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's walk it out. Contestant A, pick a number.
Number 3.
What is an acute angle?
An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees.
That is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Question 10.
What is the sum of angles in a quadrilateral?
360 degrees.
And that is correct. Contestant C, your question.
Number 5.
Question number 5. Express 0.00254 in standard form.
4.5 times 10 raised to power minus 4.
That is wrong. Bonus. Contestant B.
2.54 times 10 raised to power minus 3.
Fantastic. That's correct. So contestant D.
Number 6.
Question 6. Express 0.00256 in standard form. Bonus. Contestant A.
2.56 times 10 raised to power 3.
Contestant B.
2.56 times 10 raised to power minus 3.
That's the correct answer. Contestant A, your question.
Number 7.
Question number 7. What type of angle is 210 degrees?
Reflex angle.
And that is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Question number 1.
What is an angle?
An angle is the amount of degrees that a shape has.
An angle is a figure formed by two rays with a common end point called the vertex. Contestant C, your question.
It's
A plane shape with infinite number of lines of symmetry is called what?
scaling.
Bonus, contestant B.
Circle.
And that is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Number 4.
Number 4. What is an obtuse angle?
An obtuse angle is an angle that
Bonus quest to contestant B.
An obtuse angle is an angle that is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees.
And that is correct. Contestant A, your question.
Number 12.
A library has 2,000 books. Each book has about 40 pages. Approximately how many pages are there in the library?
80,000.
And that is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Question 13.
A cup and a saucer cost Y naira. The cup alone costs K naira. Find the cost of the saucer.
Y naira minus K naira.
And that is correct. Contestant C, your question.
Number 14.
Question number 14. Simplify 1 over 7 multiply by 35y.
Y equals to 21.
Bonus.
5y.
And that is correct. Alright, so contestant D.
Number 16.
Listen carefully. The value of the 4 in 26.645 is what?
Hundred.
Not quite. Bonus to contestant. Anyone? Contestant B.
Hundreds.
The value of 4 is 100.
400. But I'll give it to you because you said the value of 4 is 100. So that's how to say it. So that brings us to the end of the first stage of our quiz competition right here on Work It Out. Welcome back to Work It Out. Just come by, there was our first stage of our quiz competition. The results are in, and let's find out who makes it into the next round. Contestant A scored 14 points, while contestant B scored 26 points. Contestant C scored no points, while contestant D scored 5 points. So at this juncture, contestant C drops out and contestants A, B, and D goes on to stage 2 of our quiz competition. Stay with us. Welcome back to Walk It Out here on the network service of the NTA. We're now on to stage 2 of our quiz competition. If you have been following, it's been really interesting here on Work It Out. We now have contestants A, B, and C. On this stage, we have 9 questions. With 9 questions, at this stage, you have only 10 seconds to answer your question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Contestant A, your question.
Question 5.
Question 5. Tom spent 2 over 3 of his monthly salary. If his salary is $900, how much money did he spend?
$600.
And that is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Question 3.
Question 3. Find the next 4 terms of the sequence. 1, 2, 5, 10, 17.
Five.
The next 4 terms of the sequence. 1, 2, 5, 10, 17. The next 4 terms of the sequence. Your time is up. Bonus. Contestant A.
26, 37, 50, and 63.
61.
3
Look at it again.
and 65.
And that is correct. So that was your question.
Number 1.
Number 1. Mean, median, and mode are known as
Data presentation.
bonus. Anyone? Contestant A.
Data application.
No. Contestant B, do you want to try? Alright. So, mean, median, and mode are known as the measures of central tendency. Contestant A, your question.
Question 7.
A tank was filled with 3/5 gallons of water. If 1/4 gallon of water was used, how much water is left in the tank?
Seven over 20.
And that is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Number 2.
Question number 2. A rectangle has a perimeter of 60 meters. Find the length of the rectangle if its breadth is 12 centimeters. It's a bonus now to contestant A.
18 centimeters.
And that is correct. So contestant C, your question.
Number 4.
Jane solved 2/5 of the math problems in her workbook. If there were 30 problems in total, how many problems did she solve?
$15 problems.
No. Contestant A.
12 problems.
12 is the right answer. Congratulations. So, with that said, we've come to the end of our stage 2 of our quiz competition right here on Work It Out. Time for us to go on a short break. When we return, the scores will be in and we will tell you the 2 contestants that will proceed to the last and final stage of the program. Stay with us. Welcome back to Walk It Out. The scores are in from our stage 2 of our quiz competition. Contestant A scored 49 points, while contestant B scored 19 points. Contestant C scored 5 points. And that simply means that contestant A and contestant B will proceed to the stage 3 of our quiz competition, and that's where we'll find out who our champion is on today's program. Stay with us. If you have just tuned in, this is Work It Out on the network service of the NTA. We've gone through 2 stages here on the program, from stage 1 to stage 2. We are now into stage 3 of our quiz competition. 2 contestants are remaining and they're set to answer questions to find out who will go home with our star prize on today's edition. Contestant A and contestant B. In this stage, you have 8 questions and you have 15 seconds to answer these questions. The rule for bonus points remains the same. Contestant A misses a question, it's a bonus to contestant B. Contestant B misses, it's a bonus to contestant A. Are you ready? So, contestant A, your question.
3.
Question 3. If it takes 6 machines to produce 1,000 units in a day, how many machines are needed to produce 1,500 units in a day?
9 machines. 13.
If it takes 6 machines to produce 1,000 units in a day, how many machines are needed to produce 1,500 units in a day?
9. 9.
That is still not correct. Bonus, contestant B?
10.
No, 10 is wrong. 4 machines are needed. 4 machines are needed. Contestant B, your question.
Number 5.
Question number 5. Find the HCF of 3x and 6x. Time is up. Contestants A.
3x.
That is correct. So, contestant A, your question.
Number 2.
Question number 2. If it takes 8 workers to complete a task in 4 hours, how long will it take 4 workers to complete the same task?
8 hours.
That is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Number 7.
Find the HCF of 12 a raised to the power 2b and 18 ab raised to the power 2. It's now a bonus to contestant A.
4ab.
That is not correct. So the answer is the HCF is 6AB. Contestant A, your question.
1.
Question number 1. If a car travels 240 miles using 12 gallons of gas, how far can it travel with 20 gallons of gas?
400 miles.
And that is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Number 4.
If 4 workers can finish a project in 10 days, how long will it take 8 workers to complete the same project?
20.
You still have time.
5.
5 is correct. And with that, we've come to the end of the third and final stage of our quiz competition right here on Work It Out. Thank you so much for staying with us all through the course of this edition of the program. It is now time for us to tell you the scores for our third and final stage of our quiz competition right here on Work It Out. For our third stage, contestant A scored 73 points, while contestant B scored 24 points. And that clearly tells us that contestant A is our winner of today's edition of the program. In a moment, we shall be doing our prize presentation. Join us again. Well, thank you so much for staying with us all through the course of this edition. It is time now for us to present our prizes to our winners on today's edition of the program. In fourth place, please welcome Adekunle Moyisola. Congratulations. There you go. In third place, please welcome Adebajo Rebecca. Congratulations. And here is your gift. In second place, please welcome Oshiemi Fatima. Congratulations, well done. And our grand prize winner for today goes to Adebayo Timothy. It's a big one. It's huge. Congratulations. Alright, round of applause for our winner for today. And that is what we do here on Walk It Out. We bring to you some of the brightest kids across Nigeria on this program to solve mathematics questions every single week right here on the network service of the NTA. You can be a part of this program. Just contact us here at NTA ETV Tejo Show Yaba Lagos. On behalf of the entire production crew, my name is Israel Ife Robo. I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.